Hello everybody, and welcome to this video on how to make this cute little decorative tree for your living room or for wherever you fancy. So basically the process starts off by obviously choosing a branch of a tree with perhaps branches coming off it. It's a good idea if you choose quite a wide one with quite a wide span so that you can hang more things from it and hang lots of different lights from it. The first step is to cut it down and then wedge it between some rocks and a tree, or wedge it in a stable place. You can start working on it. And then you need to get some secateurs and cut off all the dead leaves and all the other little twigs that you don't want, bearing in mind how you want it to look and how many branches you want. It's just however you fancy. Then we've got a grinder, and we're basically grinding it down because the tree branch was covered in white lynching, which is like some sort of white crusty stuff, so we just want to get it nice and smooth in order to be able to paint on it. And now we're securing it again in a different place because I went to the paint shop and I chose out a specific colour, and then they made the colour up at the paint shop, and it's this duck egg colour that we had at our wedding. So we're just basically painting it in this colour, and it came with these like chestnut balls on it, so we just painted them black and we're sticking them on with super glue just because it was part of the tree anyway, but you can do it with any other types of balls or balls. I then added some nice white stones into a bucket and some lights and a couple of things hanging with some owls and a heart there, and it just looks really cute in our living room. I hope you've enjoyed this video.